I suppose it's kind of become the story of the day. The outburst from the Minister for Sport, Patrick O'Donovan, about the disgraceful scenes at Oriel Park on Friday night. And Ciara, I've kind of mixed views on this. I absolutely agree with Patrick O'Donovan, what he said. This was thuggery, it was wanton destruction. It was completely orchestrated, by the way, designed to do criminal damage. We should also say a young boy, a young fan, ended up being injured as well, which is absolutely unforgivable and unthinkable. But like, I'm a League of Ireland fan. There's a big issue about flares and about fireworks, and it's a problem that does need to be faced up, and I will absolutely take that criticism. But I wasn't impressed with the response of Patrick O'Donovan today.
This is him saying he's going to hold funding?
Yeah, for a number of reasons. Okay, like there's the tough guy approach, a plague on all your houses. Yes, of course, football clubs need to do more, but the state also needs to look in the mirror as well. I mean, he talked about the UK, and he referenced the UK a number of times, and he talked about football clubs needing to stamp this out. There's specific legislation brought in the UK. It's a criminal offence to be on a pitch in England. It is a criminal offence to be in possession of a pyrotechnic in England. It was the police that sorted out that there was a huge violence, hooliganism problem in the UK. So I think the government needs to look at itself before it starts casting stones.
It reminded me of when you're in school and you've done something bold, and then the teachers come out with some...
Right, you're all going to suffer for this.
Everyone's getting detention, and it's sort of like this kind of patronising kind of. There was something odd in it.
Easy to bang the table and be outraged, and sorry.
I think he's writing flares though.
What happened? No,
stop
Ciara,
the flares, people. That's actually crazy.
I am not in any way justifying. Like, what happened on Friday night was disgusting and a disgrace, and I was embarrassed to be a League of Ireland fan. But just one last thing on this. I'm not sure politicians would come out and kick the GAA or the IRFU in relation to something like this. But I think, and I've said this before, football is a very convenient football to kick around the place.